Good afternoon, I'm Bobby Carvel with America's Home Place. I'm the general manager of the Athens, Georgia location. Today we're out visiting a Southampton B, a home we currently have under construction that's in its final phases. I'm actually standing in the master bathroom. Our customer has made some subtle upgrades from our standard finishes. Our customer has upgraded on the master shower as well as the garden tub. Our standard finish is a fiberglass shower enclosure. Our customer has opted to upgrade this to a full tiled shower. Our standard tub is going to be a fiberglass garden tub. Our homeowner has opted to have an acrylic soaking tub. All of the finishes in our homes are totally customizable. And if you come into our showroom, you'll see the wide selection that we have available. Going through your color selections, you'll pick out your floor coverings, you'll pick out a granite, you'll pick out a cabinet style, you'll pick out cabinet pulls, your door fronts, your door style, your door finishes, whether they're going to be paint, whether they're going to be stained, all the way down to the door pulls. And if you'd like to learn more about starting the building process, please visit us at americashomeplace.com. Please like and subscribe.